Here's today's top story. Google Wallet gets a massive upgrade that's meant to speed you through airport security checkpoints. Google Wallet has transformed into a one-stop shop that can pretty much replace your physical wallet at this point. While the app used to be pretty basic, allowing you to hold your credit and debit cards, it can now store more important pieces of information like IDs and passports, while also becoming a safe space to store your concert tickets, gift cards, and pretty much anything else. With that said, it looks like Google Wallet is gaining some new functionality going forward, becoming the first to partner with the Transportation Security Administration's, TSA, on its PreCheck Touchless ID program. This move will hopefully make moving through security checkpoints at the airport a lot faster going forward. How does this work? When you head to any airport in the US, you'll need to go through the TSA's security checkpoint before you board your plane. Now, there are a variety of different ways to get past this area, with ID checks, ticket scans, facial recognition, and more. If you've ever been to the airport, you know how slow it can be to get through these lines. In order to make the experience smoother, the TSA does have something called TSA PreCheck, along with its new Touchless ID feature. Touchless ID is still quite new, only being available in 65 airports in the US. It attempts to make the experience faster than what's currently available. With Google Wallet, TSA PreCheck flyers will be able to skip the long lines by pre-registering with the TSA. In order to get this done, users will be able to securely share their ID and boarding pass from within Wallet to the TSA. Once the data is submitted and has been approved, users will be able to utilize the TSA PreCheck Touchless ID Express line at participating airports. There will also be an indicator on your ticket in Google Wallet to show that you are ready to go. For the most part, this is a complete win for anyone who's always traveling. Although you can be ready for most things, you can't control the volume of people at an airport at any one time. Being able to get through the crowd using the tools available is a way to ensure you'll never be late for your flight. Sure, you should always be arriving early, but sometimes that just isn't enough when everyone else is doing the same thing. While there are plenty of tools available for travel that should make things smoother, it's good to see Google adding another element to Wallet that is sure to be helpful. Google states that the feature will be rolling out over the next few weeks. So, keep an eye out for it. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.